And this should be working, so let's start. Okay, let's let the passengers get on, and then we should be good to go, Tornado. Is that okay? Of course. I've always... It just feels good to stretch my wheels again, if you know what I mean. Oh, I know what you mean, I know what you mean. Good, driver. Good to hear. Yeah, that's our cue to go. Remember, Tornado, not too fast. I know, driver, I know. I might be a new built engine, but I know better. Trust me, I know a lot better than some other engines. Especially the ones that only pull freight. I know, but you have to understand what I mean. I know, driver, I know. There we are. We're off. Hey, driver. Yes, Tornado? How long have you been driving steam engines for? Oh, years, actually. Huh, I never knew that. Oh, don't worry. I actually kind of do. I used to drive flying Scotsman for a little bit. Really? Yeah. Then Mallard, a bunch of A4s. Really? Yep, and now I'm on to you, and I look. Now, between me and you, out of any engine I have ever driven, you are the best. Aw, thanks, driver. Uh-huh. Let's just hope. Let's just hope we don't have an incident with the Railfans again, right? Yes, let's just hope. Those, I know they're good. They actually bring in the money to keep you steam engines going, but they're so annoying. Yeah. I mean, look at poor Scotsman at times. He had to literally stop in the middle of the line because of those people. Yeah. Eh. But I'll keep an eye out. Okay. So, I don't know what to do. I hate those dumb rail fans. A tornado! Yes! We're going into a tunnel, so prepare for the steam to get shut off. So I'm not going to gain any more speed? No. Hey, John? Yeah? Well, how are we doing on coal and water? Do we need any more? No? Okay, fair point on the coal. How's the water doing? We have... Okay. Hey, tornado! Yeah? Once we get out of the tunnel, we can open up your throttle all the way and go to max speed. Well, we don't really know because I could go faster than 100 miles per hour considering I'm a new built engine with the latest technology. Fair point. But we can open it up and at least get up to 90. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay, 3, 2, 1. driver, yes, Tornado? Do you think we'll see any other steam engines on this run? Well, I don't know. I don't know every single preserved steam engine and when they run or how they run. Fair point, driver. But how do you feel? Oh, I feel amazing, driver. I'm not pushing myself, thank God. Yeah, thank God about that. Now we're up to 90 miles per hour. Good. Should we go any faster? Well, Tornado, yeah? Do you want to go any faster? Driver, I want to go as fast as I can. I haven't stretched my wheels in over, well, so long with this pandemic going on. Come on, open me up, max throttle. Okay. Might feel a lot of power coming into you. I don't care, and there's a hill up ahead, so we're gonna need the speed. Fair point. We're going to 104. Okay, 105. Holy cow. 106, 107, 108. Holy cow. 109. What? 110. What? 111 and maybe 112? 112. Driver, should I really be going this fast? Probably not. I see the coaches kind of swaying side to side. You could go to 100 probably. Yeah, now the coaches are kind of not swaying side to side anymore. And let's just bring it back down to 90. Okay, driver. Hey, driver. Yes? My whistle. Have you noticed something wrong with it? Yeah. Are you okay? Yeah, I feel slightly jammed, but not too bad. Okay. They just tell us if we need to stop the train and fix it. I don't want an incident of what happened to one of your cousins. Well, technically cousins. What do you mean? Remember when you were filling in for Gordon? Oh yeah! Well, one time his whistle came jammed wide open, and it was a horrible noise. What do you mean? Oh, I was there remember the TV show? Yeah? They recreated that story in it. Oh! Oh! Okay. So, driver, yes? How does it feel driving a new boat steam engine? Yeah, it feels pretty good. I hope you don't mind if for a little while I do hop over to, Prince of Wales. Oh, you mean what is he, the new boat P2? Yeah. Oh, I don't mind, driver. I could understand. You want to get the experience. Yep, because you never know. You're not wrong about that. I hate saying. You know how much I hate saying that. Yeah. You do realize that we should probably stop soon? Yeah, I understand. Say, driver. Yes, look up there. Tornado, why did you whistle? There's train fans. Hello. Mommy, Daddy, tornadoes whistled at me. I know, we see you, sweetie. Hey, driver, should we slow down? Why? Because we do have to stop at the station. Fair point. It feels nice pulling mainline trains again. I can see that, tornado. And there we are. Run is over. Right, tornado? Yep. Goodbye. No, goodbye, everyone, too. Well, actually, goodbye, everyone.